everyone, it is Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I have this sign that I got at Walmart. It was on a stick and I broke it off. I just popped it off. It was like $1. And then I took one of these parts from Dollar Tree like this and I just painted it red. I spray painted it actually last night in my garage in a box. And I'm going to glue this on top, but first I'm going to put a little seam. I had some material that looks like a brick road, so I'm going to glue that in. So I've already sort of cut it. And you could see that. I don't know if you could really see that it's a brick road, but I'll show you the material over here. So it's just material I had in my stash. I actually use it in my village scene for like roads and put snow on it. But you can't see it because the box is making it darker. And then I'm going to glue some trees because it's a tree farm. And I will glue these in the back. If you can see that. I'm going to take this one, glue this one. And I have some small trees that I got from Dollar Tree. Some trees in there so you can see that. And I got these cute little trucks with trees on them. I got these at Walmart. They were ornaments, and I'm just going to clip this little top off right here because it had a little, I don't know if you could see it where it's where the little string went. You can still see the string right there. And I'm going to glue those in there too. Put it on their little wheels. Because they're going to the tree farm to pick out more trees. Yay! They are so cute. Look at that. And then I am going to glue this sign up here. I might even put some wood glue. Let me see how this will work because they're both pieces of wood, which might stick better. Let's see. Otherwise I might have to put some Alright, I think I'm gonna also put some this glue on there too to get it to stick immediately. Okay. I'm gonna put a little piece of wood behind it. Just to keep it straight up. There you go, you can see that. And I will put some more trees up front because we want everybody to come and buy our trees so we can make some money to support our families for the rest of the year. And maybe I'll put a little wreath up here because we're going to sell wreaths too, of course. And there you have it. Welcome to the tree farm. I don't know, yeah, can you see it? Oh, my wreath just fell. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Stick it back up there. There we go. I'm going to attempt to do a snowman. I'm not sure. I've got the snowman head that I got from, let me show you, Dollar General. Isn't he cute? And he lights up. Let me cut his tag off. And I have to cut his little hanger off. He's got some threads going on there. Okay, and he's got a little plug in. I'm going to pull that out. Whoops. And he lights up. So, is he not cute? Look at that. Going to be so cute. Okay, let's see. I'm going to turn him back off. And we're going to Mod Podge this glass first, and we're going to use some Epsom salt. So I'm going to move this out the way. This stuff is so messy right now because it all sort of melted into the liquid. Ugh. That is really sticky. Probably should have got a paper towel, but I didn't. Okay, so, but I'm going to go get one. Okay, so I'm going to dip my brush into the Mod Podge, and I'm just going to take and put it all in here. And then I'm going to pour some Epsom salt so it'll look like snow. Hopefully it'll get all covered. I'm going to put some more just in case because it seems like it's pretty dry there. Okay, that seems to be covered. Okay, I'm going to pour some salt in it, and let's see how this goes. I'm just going to put some in there and shake it around like that. Some more. So it looks like snow. Need some on this side. So just be real careful and just shake it and turn it around so it gets all over there. Okay, that looks pretty good. So that you can see it from right here. Some at the bottom. Okay, now I took this ball, which is an ornament, and I'm going to take that off, take this off, and I'm going to somehow pour some of this Mod Podge in there. So I poured some in there. I'm going to let it go all over. If it will, just keep pouring it till you get it all in there. See that? And just keep going around and around till it goes everywhere. Okay, then I'm going to put some more of this Epsom salt in there. And again, I'm going to shake it around, and then I'm going to let that dry. Shake it, shake it, shake it. The daughter is like looking at me. What's wrong? What? Oh, I'll let the cat in. The cat wants to get in. Cat goes down to the basement, goes in the garage. He's in, he's out. this over this and shake it real good. Okay, so that's going to be just like that. And I don't know if you can see it. Use this. Let me pour this back in here. Okay, so there is his little body. Okay, I'm going to I got this little light from the Dollar Tree. Let me see. These little push lights. It takes 3 AA batteries. So I'm going to end up, this guy's going to be glued on. It seems so uncertain, don't I? Is it going to work? I don't know. Is it going to work? I hope so. Golly. Alright, so I'm going to stick his head on there. Let's hope he sticks on. Okay. Okay, he's getting a little more glue so he can hang on. Poor thing wants to go backwards. Not a good thing. Okay, I'm going to have to hold it till it dries. Okay, there he is. Then I'm going to take this light and put it inside his little belly. Like that. And look how cute he is. Oh my God, I love him. Wait a second. Let me turn him on. Jeez, where's his little, there's his little hat. Okay. Yes, this is falling down. And there he is. What do you think, Angelina?
That's really cute.
Can you see it? Let me pull this back. There he is. Okay, there he is, guys. Oh my God, he's adorable, isn't he? And this would be cute in a child's room as a nightlight. It really would. Or even you could put him in the bathroom during Christmas and have a little light for the bathroom. So there he is, Mr. Snowman. He's so cute. Okay, this is still the same snowman, except it's another one, but I did the same thing with the Mod Podge and the Epsom salt. I threw some glitter in there with this one. I don't know if it'll make a difference, but I had this and I thought, well, let me try it, see if it glams it up some. And so I'm going to do a different snowman, which he's got the little burlap hat. So again, he came from Dollar General. I'm going to take all this off. I'm going to pull this out. Pull this out. Pull this little tab out. Make sure he lights up, and he does. Cool. Okay. I used regular the stick glue on the other one. And I'm going to try this one with E6000. And I will let you know which one sticks better. It's a process. It's like a learning process, I guess. I think we all know it's a learning process. So let me try this. Now my glue won't come out because it's been sitting here. Let me pull that out. Let me get the glue going. Ah, there it is. Thank goodness. All right. Okay, it's not really coming out. So let me see if I can get some more. Come on, glue. Got some of this little mouth, but I'm going to see if I can get that off with maybe a piece of cardboard. Just that it's not all over. Okay, let's see if this holds somewhat better. Probably won't hold right away because it takes 24 hours to dry, but we shall see. Yep, I'm going to have to add some little bit of this type glue too. I'm going to add some more of this glue because glass is a little bit different. It doesn't always hold. So I'm going to hold him on. Okay, so I'm making him a scarf. I hide all the glue that I've had to put on this poor little guy. He needs a name. Let's call him Frosty. Because he is a little frosty. So I'm going to make this scarf. See how cute that's going to be? It's not very even, but I don't think we'll notice. Yeah, we should be singing Frosty the Snowman. Anyway, I think you just have to sit here and hold the glue because it is glass, and glass, you know, I probably should have used the glass glue, but I didn't have any. But look how cute he looks with his scarf. And it hides all his glue that I had to put around his neck. Oh, isn't he cute? Oh my God, he's so cute. All right, let's turn him on. Turn him on. Let's see how he looks. Ah, look at him. Okay, oh, all right, we'll stick this. Remember the little light from Dollar Tree? Oh my goodness. Look. I think he is gorgeous.